Now, as the country prepares for Mashujaa Day celebrations, the National Heroes Council has prepared a list of 230 people who will be honored for their services in building the nation. Among the 230 heroes to be honored is Anna Qabale Duba, the winner of the Aster Guardians Global Nursing Award, awarded last May, who will be honored for her work in providing education to children and parents in Turbi, Marsabit County. The story was produced by our very own Jorogi Gatete.
It is an announcement that earned Qabale Duba global recognition, and now as the country marks the 59th Mashujaa Day celebrations, she will be among 230 heroes that will be honored for their service to humanity and nation. Qabale was awarded 27 million shillings for her efforts in fighting female genital mutilation, early marriages, and ensuring residents of Turbi in Marsabit County access education.
There are so many problems in our area, so many, but as an individual, I cannot be able to solve everything. So I had to choose something, and I chose education to bridge the gap in the northern Kenya. I could have built an hospital, but I love education because it's the best equalizer in this world, as Nelson Mandela said.
Qabale started a school in Turbi in 2018 after running an initiative to provide pants and pads to girls in schools for over 4 years. The school has enrolled 160 children and adults who pay only 1,000 shillings per term to sustain the members of staff.
The children come to school in the morning and the parents come for adult learning in the afternoon. The reason why I started this unique model is that with the CBC system in Kenya, the parents are expected to contribute like 70% to the learning of their kids. So you can imagine someone who cannot even be able to read and write to help their kids with their homework.
From being the only girl in a family of 19 to be educated to boasting of international awards, including the Weislitz Global Citizens Awards in 2019, Qabale says her recognition by the National Council of Heroes is a confirmation of government's commitment to support selfless individuals serving the nation.
Share your story. That's the tagline. Because you might be doing amazing work at your workplace or even in the community, in the hospitals, in the school, wherever you work. But if we don't share our stories, nobody will know.
Qabale now hopes to build a hospital for her community in future to ensure that pregnant women get access to health services during delivery in order to reduce cases of maternal deaths, which are still high among the pastoral communities.
My bigger plan is even actually to have a boarding school to accommodate more kids in these schools. Having a boarding school will really help me even feed these kids and also protect them from the harmful cultural practices like the FGM.
Meanwhile, the National Heroes Council says it will work with county governments in identifying more heroes to be honored by government.
Tuna jukumu la kuhakikisha ya kwamba hawa mashujaa tuwatambue, tuweze tukawasaidia kwa njia ambapo serikali inaweza kuwasaidia ikiwa itawezekana.
With recognizing the heroes, I'm sure this will inspire other upcoming or younger people like you to also do good things in the hope of also being recognized.
The council is expected to hold its third meeting with heroes on Mashujaa Day.